Hi all, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I'm going to make a short review on a Samsung Galaxy A55 5G 3 months later, and let's make a start. So this phone came out in March 2024. It weighs 213 grams and it comes with Android 14 with 4 years of updates and 5 years security updates. 4 years for OS updates and 5 years for security updates. Now this phone does have a premium feeling, considering the Victus Gorilla Glass on the front, the glass back, and the aluminum frame. It does give a S-series feeling or even an iPhone feeling. I would say it looks quite nice with this back and everything. It looks okay. As I said, Android 14, Super AMOLED screen, octa-core CPU, Cortex A55 and Eclipse 530 GPU. Okay for some games, for decent games, not specifically for a gamer, but it's okay. SIM slot is on top, and the good thing is that they brought back the micro SD slot, which is great. You can expand your memory. Originally comes in 128 and 256 with different sizes of RAM, 6, 8 or 12. Stereo speaker, of course, Type-C, USB, and unfortunately they removed the headphone jack. It's no more 3.5mm headphone jack. This is quite unfortunate for some, but this is it. 50 megapixel rear camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro. It records 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 or 60 fps. Selfie camera 32 megapixel, but also it records 4K at 30 fps or similar 1080p at 30 or 60 fps. I did mention no headphone jack, unfortunately. Under display fingerprint seems to be okay. So as I said, the SIM tray on top, and of course you can use dual SIM on the versions that support dual SIM, or an eSIM and a physical nano SIM. Speaker quite good, stereo speaker, and as mentioned before, no headphone jack. Now the fingerprint is okay, not that fast, not as fast as in the S series, but it does the job. It does the job pretty much okay. And this new thing is the customizable power button, which is really interesting. You can customize your power button as pretty much everything. You can open a camera for you, flashlight, or gallery, whatever. You can choose. You can customize it as whatever you like. It's quite speedy. It's no lags whatsoever. It's quite speedy, especially now the phone is new. I don't know when you play it. When you install loads of apps, but it looks quite speedy, so probably this is it. So I'm going to play shortly some music on YouTube, just a short bit for obvious reasons, for you to hear. It seems to be quite decent, and the view on the screen is quite nice. Fortunately, I couldn't play it for too long, so I don't have some trouble. I don't want my video removed. 5000 milliamp battery and 25 watt wired charging, which it can be a bit annoying. It could be a bit slow. So overall, a good look, a premium feeling, but considering the prices, I don't know. In the UK, it starts from £300. I don't know exactly. Whatever you are, you can check your own price in your area. But considering the price, I would say maybe a bit expensive. As no, in a box it comes just with a cable, no charger in a box. So for the price, we could have added a plug, but this is it. Anyway, considering it's probably the best mid-ranger out there, I would say it's okay. Yeah, definitely go for it. I forgot to mention one thing. It does have the IP67 dust and water resistance, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, which is good. So I would definitely recommend it. It's from Samsung. Is no other one at this time, no other mid-ranger better than this. So yeah, I would say go for it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.